Breaking news tonight, you can still see the glow of this fire in Cedar Park that we've been following all night tonight as breaking news. The Bexley at Silverado Apartments in Cedar Park near Parmer Lane and 1431 caught fire. 3 structures in the area caught fire. They evacuated the entire apartment complex, and luckily only one person had some minor injuries. 15 acres of land have burned so far. That's what we know, but it's still burning out of control. 15 acres right now, but it's going to get bigger. Flames shooting as high as 60 feet in the air. Chief Meteorologist Chicago Windler joining us live now. And if you don't follow her on Twitter, you need to follow her on Twitter. She has tapped into these network of eyewitnesses that have been giving her video all night on this fire. The one video you posted that was really kind of scary to me was the buckets, the bucket helicopters dropping the water over all these neighborhoods. It was so densely populated. Plus, I've ridden my mountain bike in that area a lot. I know it's just a bunch of trees and dry grass. So there's a lot of dangerous threats out there.
Absolutely. There's dry vegetation. We've got the winds that have been picking up. It is still an active fire with flames visible. I got the first word a little bit after 6:30. One of my contacts texted me and said, look, there's this fire and it is going up in a real hurry. And soon enough, it turned into a 1, 2, 3, 4 alarm. 20 different agencies on this fire trying to get it under control.
And then the winds.
And then the winds, that's right. Let's talk more about this fire situation. It is getting worse before it gets better. Fire danger plus the heat. In case you're wondering, this is Parmer Lane. Here's Whitestone 1431. Colonial Parkway is right here. And here's where the Bexley apartments are. This whole area right there is just a bunch of bike trails. As Walt mentioned, he's been out there. A lot of woods and very dry vegetation. You head farther south, here's Avery Ranch and Brushy Creeks. So just to give you an idea, that part of Cedar Park is where the fire is currently. And at the same time, we are not out of the woods, figuratively or literally, because of the fact that we've got gusts right now at 30 miles per hour in Austin, 21 miles per hour in Georgetown, and these winds are going to continue through the night. They should settle a little bit by daybreak tomorrow, but at least for now, you can estimate between Georgetown and Austin, probably gusting around 25 miles per hour for folks there in Cedar Park. And if you're wondering where the fire could spread, winds coming in out of the south-southeast will push the flames and the smoke to the north-northwest on its current trajectory. And I do think by morning we could have a southwesterly wind there, which would spread everything to the north-northeast before heading to the south. So if you are north of that fire, you should be concerned. If you are south of the fire, you're probably just fine. Reason being, we're going to continue to see southerly winds blowing everything to the north. Here's the problem, though. If another fire strikes wherever it might, all of us are going to yet again have to contend with this potential for more fire danger and more significant problems. As far as temperatures, today was our 32nd consecutive day of triple-digit heat. Tomorrow will be 33, Thursday 34, Friday 35. You get the idea. 107 to 108, 5 consecutive record highs possible. Fire danger staying with us and no rain on the horizon. We'll be right back.